Hello lovelies and welcome to another video with me. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to create a Gibson tuck. Starting with the first option. First of all, of course, brush through your hair, and now it is really up to you. You can either make a middle parting or a side parting. It works both ways. And then I'm going to twist my front sections until I reach my ear, and then I pin it down with some bobby pins. And when that is done, I'm going to gather all my hair together and make a low ponytail. And now we're coming to the part where I'm going to create the tuck or the roll. Basically what you make is to create a little hole above your hair elastic, and then you take your ponytail and you just pull it through until you reach the end of your hair. And then you just kind of spread the hair a little bit out so you create a nice little roll. And then obviously you pin everything down with bobby pins. Sometimes I have to do it a few times until it really looks like I want it to look. So you really have to practice this. Then it is usually time for the hairspray. I'm now not going to do it. And I like to use a hairnet to keep the hair together and to make it look a little bit more even. There is the first option done. And if you want, you can add a little hair accessory. The second option, for the first part, again, we're going to twist our front sections and pin them down with bobby pins. And then when this is done, you take the hair rat. Mine used to be one of those hair donuts, and I just cut it in half. What you do is to roll your hair around this hair rat until you reach your head. And then you just pin it down with as many bobby pins as you have. In general, for these hairstyles, I always use a lot of bobby pins because my hair is quite heavy. And then usually you have some hair sticking out at both sides, and what I'm just going to do is to kind of roll it around itself and just pin it down as well. As you can see, I'm also not really caring if it is messy or not. I personally don't have a problem when it is uneven. It would be time for some hairspray. Then I put on the hair net, which will keep everything together. By the way, I have my hair nets just from Amazon in a brown color. And then the last option, again, you're just going to twist your front sections and pin them down. And when this is done, just take your hair and just roll it and create the roll just with the hair you have. pin everything down with loads of bobby pins. This is also an option you have to practice a few times, especially if you have a lot of hair and if your hair is quite long. I think if you practice this a little bit, you will be also able to make a nice even roll with this technique. But again, since I don't really care about this, since I like the messy look, I am fine with that. And then we're also done with this option. But yeah, these were my 3 options of a Gibson roll. Obviously there are many different ways to create them. I usually wear this hairstyle with a beret, and then you can't see that it is messy or that there are bobby pins. So that's great. And to make it stay in place, I use one of these hair needles, and then I just pull it through the beret, and then it doesn't fall off. I really hope it was a helpful video. I hope that you're going to try out this hairstyle. If you share it on your Instagram, then definitely make sure to tag me. I would love to see you trying out this hairstyle. Thanks for watching as always. If you enjoyed it, then definitely give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I wish you a wonderful rest of the day, and I will hopefully see you in one of my next videos. Bye!